Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Andy and today I'll be restoring a laminate table for a client of mine. This table used to sit in my client's dining room, but she loved the previous table that I restored for her. You can watch the restoration over here. So this table will sit on her balcony. As you can see, the veneer is dirty, has pencil marks, and has some minor problems here and there. One of the corners has missing veneer. And here you can see that the table is made of MDF. I'll have to glue that bit. The legs are made of plywood and covered in the same veneer. This will be an easy transformation. Follow me to make it clean and beautiful again. I started by gluing the loose corner. Since this is MDF and not particle board, or chipboard as they say in the UK, I'll use wood glue and clamp it. Sorry for the blurriness of my camera. Maybe it was too close. Anyway, I cut the irregular border of the veneer with my utility knife. I bought this roll of veneer from a local vendor. I'll be using it to repair the missing bit. I glued it and clamped it and left it to dry overnight. The next day, I cut the excess with my scissors, re-glued what became loose and sanded the borders. As this veneer is not particularly thick, I'll be stripping the old finish. After removing it with a putty knife, I removed the rest with mineral spirits and some fine steel wool. And cleaned everything with a wet rag. I sanded the old glue from the legs with a 60 grit sanding disc. I sanded the legs with 120 grit sandpaper. If you have liked this video so far, don't forget to like it so YouTube can show it to more people. If you have seen my previous videos, don't forget to subscribe. It is free and you will not miss my future videos. Well, this table was really heavy. I taped the corner with a new veneer and then started to sand with 120 grit. This is a slow process and you must be patient and change sanding discs often. I'd like to thank each one of you who supports my channel via my Amazon wishlist and buying me coffees. Every coffee you invite me will be used to buy a multi-tool. It will be really useful for future projects. You can also help me by clicking the Super Thanks button. I'm sealing the thirsty veneer with water-based poly and satin finish. And Milo is always happy. Now he has a new human to play with, my Australian uncle. He will go to the groomer tomorrow because he is very dirty. But meanwhile, he will play with everyone, especially with Sophie, the cleaning lady of my building. I didn't film it, but I applied some stain to the new corner to match the color of the rest of the table, and then try to match the grain with some furniture markers. I want to send love to my beautiful channel members. Thanks for being with me. I applied 3 coats of polyurethane to the top for extra protection. This was the table before. Here it is now. If you want to see more videos like this, check this one out. Thanks for watching.